Hi guys, welcome back to the next video. Right, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to set up our news feeds. So you can see here we've got our news feeds as an icon in our app. What we're actually going to do is we're going to use RSS feeds to actually automatically add the latest news into there. What an RSS feed is, it's kind of like a Twitter feed. Very similar to that. So like when it's updated by a website, it automatically updates the RSS feed, which will then automatically update our app. What I've done in the folder you've got, there's a file called RSS feeds, and I've kind of put in here, I'm not going to count them, but I think there's probably about 10 or 12 of them, if not more, different RSS feeds. I want to show you how to add 2 of them. I'm then also going to show you how to find an RSS feed on the internet, so that when you do yours, you can actually find your own RSS feeds for it. Okay, so let's come back to our app. Here we go. So on RSS feeds, we're going to click on it and we're going to click edit. The next one, we're going to change the action. So we're going to click onto action, and we're just going to change this. We're actually going to change it to a standard screen because we're going to use more than one RSS feed. We're going to use a standard screen and then have links to take us to the different RSS feeds. So kind of like the different news stories. Okay, so we click save, and here we go. So we're just going to remove this add a new text item. So we're going to delete that quickly. Done. And what we're going to do is we're just going to use the link. So under the standard screens items, we're just going to use a link. You could use image link if you wanted in your app. If you're going to do some movie links, you can movie news, you can get some logos to use. But I'm just going to use text. I'm just going to use link. Okay, so the next bit, where we're going to click clear, so we don't actually want an image. So make sure you click clear to remove the image. Where it says link, the first one we're going to do is TFL. Okay, so that's going to be basically all the latest. So look, TFL, and what we're going to do is we're going to click action. So all I've done here is I've clicked clear, so I've cleared the image, and I've just put the title. Okay, if you're doing sports, which I've got here, or different ones I've got here, you can just put sport, for example. We're going to click action, change action, and we want the RSS feed. Okay. And it's like the Facebook one we did earlier. In here, where it says address, we literally just copy and paste in the RSS feed address. So I'm going to highlight this, copy it, come back to my app, and I'm going to paste it in. And I'm literally just going to click save. It should just take a second, and you can see now we've got TFL. So if I double click on it, it will load up. And this, you can see then, is all the latest news. So all the latest news, and then you can click on to the different TFL news, and you can click see full article, and it will actually load up this news article. Okay, so here you go. So you've got the news article there. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more. So we're going to use link. So just going to click link. We are going to clear the image, and the one we're going to do now, do the second one down, which is news. So we're going to copy the news, come back. Again, this is you change this as you go through. Action. We want RSS feed. So basically, we've clicked on action, we've clicked change action, RSS feed, and I'm going to copy and paste in here my RSS feed. So quickly highlight, copy, come back to my app and paste the RSS feed and press save. So now if the user comes on, they can click on news, and this will then be all of the latest news articles. So you can see here there's all the news articles from Sunday, which is today, Saturday, and various different news articles. Okay, and you can double click on it, and it will actually then load up This bit here is kind of like a little bit of snippet of what the article's about, and then if the person wants to view it, they can click on see full article. So I've shown you how to add them in, so now I want you just to add in a couple more. You can select which ones you want to use. There's a variety there. I'm just going to quickly show you how to actually find your own RSS feed to use. So I'm just going to quickly let's find Google. So I'm just going to come into my internet browser here. You can do this on your internet browser. Come to Google, and it should load up in a second. I'm just going to type in RSS. Let's do movies RSS feed. Okay, so this is, for example, if you want to do some RSS feeds about movies. Likewise, you can just do it for sport if you want, or anything else, to be honest. So Rotten Tomato is quite a big a movies website. So what they've got here is you can see all these links. These are all different RSS feeds, so you've got literally loads and loads and loads of them. So you've got one here which is top entertainment news. You've got one here is complete listings of movies. What's going on at the cinema. You've got this top movies here, it gives like critics feedback. So I'm going to quickly select this one. So I'm going to click on top movies, and what you'll actually get load up is a page of absolute code. This is code. Okay, so you don't need to know what this does. All you need to do is copy this. Copy the website, the URL, and then you can use that within your app. So we can then literally add another link. Press click. Well, actually, let's go back. What we'll do this time is, no, we'll do what we're doing. So we literally clear the link, and we can put top movies. Our title, our action is going to change to an RSS feed, and in there I'm literally just going to paste in the web address we've just copied. Press save, and it will put in top movies. So I can double click on top movies, and there we go. So Sunday, so it's got the different kind of like percentages, so I can double click on it, and then you can click on full article, the person can, and it will load up the actual RSS, the news article. It's running a little bit slow at the moment. So here you go, you've got all the latest information. It links you to their website so that they can actually look at the feedback, and that's how we add in an RSS feed. So as I said, I just want you to try and find a couple of your own. First add two or three from here, from my list, and then just try and find a couple of random ones of your own to actually practice finding them and installing them. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.